What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the JL Designs taillight with integrated turn signals on my Panigale V4. What I like about the Panigale V4 is that they make the install a little more simple in comparison to my Aprilia RSV4 JL Designs taillight that I did. It's a little bit more involved. Here, it's so much more simple. All you need to do is remove the seat with the 4mm bolts. There's 4 4mm bolts underneath, 2 more for the fender and a T25 Torx and a couple more screws in here, and basically that's it. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and start the install. To remove the seat, there's 1 4mm hex here and 1 4mm hex here. That's 1. And that's 2. And seat is off. Next we have to turn the key here to unlock this, and this is out. Now with the 4mm hex, we remove 1, 2, 3, 4 from the other side. This is also very simple. 1, loosen, 2, 1, 2, and 2 more on the other side. And once all 4 bolts are removed underneath, all you need to do is grab the fender out and it's off, just like that. And the taillight, the stock taillight, is exposed, so we can remove it. Next we have a T20 Torx. I'm gonna use an extension just to make it a little easier to remove the bolt. There we go, and it's out. Now the light is ready to be removed, but before we do, we're gonna unplug the light connector right here so we can make it free. So like in that, we can just pull it, wiggle it a little bit, and it will come off right there, just like that. It's that simple. Now we can remove the fender. First remove this 4mm hex right here, and there's 1 more right here. Gonna loosen, remove these 2, and there's a T25 right here. T25, this is a little more secure. There you go, now it's looser. Remove all 3 and you're good to go. Once you remove all 3, the fender will be loose, but there's resistance under here. If you pull it down like this, you'll see it right there. That's off. And then all you need to do is unplug the turn signal connector. Okay, and once you disconnect the connector, you will have to keep the OEM fender because we're going to have to remove these 3 T20 Torx to retrieve the turn signal connectors from in here. With the T20, remove all of these screws. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. And lift it up like this. And here you are. You have all the connectors exposed and you can reuse them. All right, so this is the connector we needed to retrieve, and we will reconnect it here where we disconnected it from. And then here, this is for the license plate light. And these 2 connectors, the one that says DX is the right turn signal, which is the blue color. And the yellow is the left turn signal, which is the SX. Okay, so I refitted the new taillight by JL Designs. I have not screwed it in yet. I'm going to use this screw here to secure it. And I did some cable management. Basically, I reconnected the cable that I took off the fender. I brought it from here underneath, left the turn signal connectors here all the way straight through the back here, and I also pulled the connector for the license plate light, and I'm going to be tucking everything in here and tucking everything in here. Okay, so I tucked everything in here, connected the light connector, the turn signals, reinserted the screw here so the light is secure, tucked everything in here. So all that's left is to put the fairing back, put the seat back, and test the light, see how it looks. Okay, so everything is in place. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. On the rear, before I turn the turn signals on, let's see how the light looks with the brake. Alright, let's test the right turn signal. So, just so you know, on the video, I don't see what I see live. For some reason, this light here on the video seems yellow, and it's not. It's completely red, just like the red tail light is. But for some reason, it seems yellow. Let's check the left. And same thing for this. Yes, definitely this is not what I see. Actually, if you can see here in the middle, this is the light I see all the way here. Okay, let's check the hazards. All right, let's check it from the side. All right, definitely much cleaner. All right, guys, install is complete. This was one of the easiest installs ever. Thank you, Ducati, for that. Guys, I will have the tail lights link on the description if you're interested in purchasing it. And if you want the 10% off, make sure you use coupon code ALPHAVITAGA. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.